Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change or add a new profile picture on your Etoro account using the Etoro application on mobile devices. So let's get started since the process is quite easy. Open up your Etoro application and make sure that you're logged into your account as well. Upon logging in, go ahead and look for the three horizontal menu button at the top left corner. Now in the expanded pop-up menu, scroll down and tap on Settings. Click on your username at the top of the screen under Settings and tap on the Camera button right next to your username at the top left. In the pop-up, select Take Photo option to take a picture from your camera right away. If you want to choose an existing photo from your device's library, tap on Photo Library. Now select a profile picture you would like to use for your Etoro profile. After choosing a picture, click on Done and you can go ahead and zoom in or zoom out your profile picture and then tap on Upload at the bottom. You will then be able to add a new profile picture or change your existing one on Etoro. So that's how you get a profile picture for your Etoro profile. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.